Good morning, students. Today we discuss about third lesson, last topic, domestications. Okay, domestication. Many people continue to hunt and gather in the forest. Many people continued to hunt and gather in the forest. And all people not practiced agriculture in the same way. Not all people practiced agriculture in the same way. Many people practiced shifting agriculture. Many peoples practiced shifting agriculture like the Podu. Like the Podu. Okay. Many people practice shifting one place to another place agriculture like the Podu. They began using the fluff and animals manure. The earliest people began to using the fluff and animals manure, and they did not have to go in search of new fertile lands every few years. Every few years to check the new fertile soil, and they had to combine farming with rearing animals, and they had to combine farming with rearing animals, and which were needed for fluffing, transporting, and the manuring the soil and other purposes. Okay, they had to combine farming with rearing animals and needed for fluffing, transporting, manuring soils and other purposes. And next one topic, settled life. Settled life. When people began and gains and people began growing plants they had to stay in the same place for the long time. They had to stay in the same place for a long time. At the harvest and time they got so much grain that they could not and eat it all at once. They could not and eat it all at all and at once. It had to be stored for long practice, about 6 months to 1 year. Okay, it had to be stored for long practice, 6 months to 1 year. When staying at one place became inevitable, they constructed huts and stones, wood, mud and dried grasses. Okay, dried grasses. When staying the one place to another place, they constructed, the earliest people constructed huts and stones, wood and mud and the dry grasses. And vessels were needed to store and cook grains and water, milk, etc. Okay, vessels. The earliest people, vessels were needed to store and cooking food items, water, milk. The earliest people making of the pots of different kinds. Okay, the earliest people making of the pots of different kinds. They also started painting and decorating the pots to give them and better look. Okay, they also started and painting and decorating and different decorations and pots give them a better look. And cooking also required the making of stoves and stones for and grinding corn, etc. Okay, cooking also required the making of and grinding corn, popcorn and etc. and stove and stones. When archaeologists dug up the places of early agriculture people, they usually found and marks of the huts, remain of pots, stove and microlithics and grind stones. And sometimes they also found some grains which got over and roasted in fire, and food material roasted in a fire. And the early farmers selected the right king of of stone and which was a grind rock to give it an odd look and like edges. This axe's head was the fixed to a wooden handle and used to cut trees. Wooden handle and used to the cut trees. The early people began process which changed and most all accept. The early people began the most changes of the and most of all accept of their leaves when very fundamental manure. Very fundamental manure. It is after this new kind of stones, tools. It is very after this new kind of stones, tools, and that is the period of early agriculture is called Neolithics. Early agriculture is called Neolithics. Neolithics. Okay? Neolithics. And we find earliest people evidence for cultivation crops. We find earliest people evidence for cultivations from Balochistan about 9,000 years ago. 9,000 years ago. Okay? And from in India there are evidence in a Kashmir. There are evidence in a, the earliest people see evidence in a Kashmir 5,000 years ago. Okay, Balochistan 9,000 years and Kashmir in India 5,000 years ago and Bihar some and from and 4 or 5,000 years ago. 4 or 5,000 years ago. The earliest people agriculture evidence for and different states. Okay.